Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
This membership drive will be launched on 2 dates. On the 12th of February, it will be launched in South Goa, and on 13th of February in North Goa, and subsequently within a few days in every constituency, in every block, on a single day the membership drive process will start. And we want to ensure that the cadre of the party is strong, they are identified, and after the completion of the membership drive, between 11th March and 25th March, all our block Congress committees will be reconstituted. All will be reviewed and reconstituted. Then between 26th March and 10th April, our district committees will be reviewed and reconstituted. And by the 25th of April, the Pradesh Congress Committee also will be reconstituted. I think we are heading for a disaster today, because every time they are using, or I would say provoking people, distracting people, spreading lies to people, big nice sounding titles, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now Make in India is forgotten. Now it's Atmanirbhar Bharat.